Very good morning. Welcome students. Right? I have given you one proverb here. See, God is great. Now what do you mean by that? See, I just try to find out some flags. Right? So you know very well. Right? So this is our India flag. This one America, right? The strongest country in the world. And this one, that's your work, you have to find it out. I will come back to you. The question here asks is, in the humanity under history and political science, you have to write any one description of 8 marks or 5 marks related long questions they will ask you. Okay? And now, today, just I am going to give you a briefing about the Japan, right? Then followed by India. Just I want to tell you, see, again I tell you, Japan, right? Comes under Asia and small country of islands in the East Asia, okay? In the East Asia you understand. So when you have drawn the direction, right? You know, this is our north, right? Head is the north, feet is the south, right hand is always east and west, right? Left hand is the west. So always you want to find out means you have to see the sun. From the sun when we see, then we take the right, then we understand that from the sun, right side is always east. Okay, like that we find out the direction. And it is in the East Asia, right? Eastern side of that. Now, this is very interesting. Do not forget, Japan is only developed country in Asia. Only developed. Not China, not India. And the second one is coming up, China along with Singapore. So you have to write about any one country. Even in the project assignment you are going to get it, you should know about 2 countries, right? Now, here I have mentioned Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Hiroshima, Nagasaki was attacked in the First World War. You know First World War? First World War was in which year? 1914 to 1918. And in the Second World War, 1939 to 1945, Second World War, 1939 to 1945, these 2 cities were bombarded, were put nuclear bombs by America, right? So, almost 165,000, almost 165,000 people died. After those who were remaining, they were physically disabled. Even today in those cities, the nuclear bombs attack is still today over there, right? The babies who are born, they are not particularly healthy. So, but Japan took over this challenge and came up very nice. And today they are one of the leading, right, producers in the electronic items. I have given here the next one, right? Automobile industries. Now, what is automobile industries? You are getting all the vehicles. Now you are coming up all the cars which are coming latest, right? You have heard Toyota, right? You have heard Mazda. You find out more vehicles, right? All are coming from the Japan. When you are talking of the electronic items, whatever TV you are having, right? Or maybe music system, right? Akai, Sony, Hitachi, Samsung, Sanyo. There are so many. Panasonic, all are from Japan. Now they are in the world largest producer of the electronic items as well as automobile industry. Now Japanese industries in the car, they are very good and very fruitful, right? When we are talking here further, it is a very important in the Japan. They have government sector and they have private sector, but the salary is totally same. There is no differences between the salary in Japan and in the private sector and the government sector. But when you are in the government sector, definitely there is a little relief that you have to work particularly 5 days. When you are working in the private sector, 6 days. But one thing is common: no strike can be taken. No strike can be taken. So there is no strike. If they go for the strike also, so what they may do, like I have given private company, they may prepare only the pen. They may not prepare the cap, right? Or they may prepare a pair of shoes. One side they were going to prepare, one side they will not prepare. So technology development, this is also from Japanese pen only. Just I want to make it. So here, strike will not take place at any cost in the Japan, right? Now the religion, when we are talking of the religion, it is Buddhism, right? It is totally Buddhism. Now Buddhism is a very interesting when you see Buddhism, right? Gautam Buddha, in the head you will see some spots are there, right? I will show you in my next slide. You need to find out what are those things, right? Now here, Japanese, here we are talking of the 5G. Now what is 5G? India's, we have in the phones, right, 4G. What is 5G? The only two countries in the world which are going with the 5G, that is only Japan and America, right? So America is #1 country in the world related with other things also. Now Japan currency is yen, yen, and I have mentioned it is only developed in Asia. Okay, now they do a lot of producing things, and seafood is the common. When you see, you will get lot of things over there. You just try to find out who is the Prime Minister. Just I don't want to tell all the things. You need to find out who is the Prime Minister of Japan, right? And how they do the elections over there. Then I go with the, here one more point. It is the most expensive city in the world, that is seafood, right? Related anything, it is the most expensive city in the world, right? So this is very much clear. Everyone, you try to have a globe, right? If you have a globe, you can find it out so many things which is very much required in your humanity. It hardly costs 50 to 100 rupees. You should try to get it, right? So please try to get it. Already we are 2 months late. So now related to notes, I want to clarify one point. All the students should have one long notebook for each subject. 2 notebooks should be there. So one long notebook should be there where you will write the question with the black pen and answer with the blue pen. First page should be left out. And you should have one more notebook for writing the assignment. Do not delay. Try to do it as early as possible. We have finished today 5 days. So try to do it. All the students are doing good. Prakhar Gupta, you are doing very good. Devanshu also and Pathak also, right? Other students, come on, get up. Get back to the chapters as soon as possible. Now, just I want to go with the second one related to the America, right? When you are talking of America, so this is the flag. Now, how many stars are there? Have you ever thought? America is also one of the strongest country, developed country in the world. I just want to give you a small briefing about America. And you know, it's a elected, the people elect the president. In India, people elect the prime minister. There they elect the president. Now, what are the things? America #1, army, right? When you talk of navy also, air force also. So America, they really have a total value. Now it is due to the pandemic, right? It is having some problem related to financial and some crunches also, and almost 1,16,000 people have died. It's a very bad shift which is taking place over there. So just I wanted to tell you, America is one of the strongest country. You can go with scenario of America also. But do not forget that election system, when you see in the political science, we need to compare what is the election procedure in America and what is the procedure in India. Do not forget, India is a secularism country, right? And when you see in the India, when you see the flags, Ashok Chakra are there. In the Ashok Chakra, right, how many strokes are there? So you need to find out how many strokes are there, what are famous for this. These are the different colors are being given over there. So I will come back to you, students. Please kindly do the study well, right? And we will go with further procedures for the time. Till that time, take care of your health. Kindly help your parents and subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel, if you did not do it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.